So I want to show you how to remove DIN SDI connectors from the server. That server, on the part of the server, it will be like this. You saw like this. For example, my server, it have 16 input of DIN interface, but on the connector side it is like this. You see, like this. So if you want to remove this connector when it is connected on their port, just make sure this one, I mean this side, this one, this, it is not shared, I mean it's not shook. Then place this one, front one, you see this one, it's shook, you push it back, then remove both. I mean this one is shook, but on the time you want to remove it, just make sure this one, the back one, it is not shook, or place this one front, then push this back, then remove both of them. Again, two ways. The first one, take this one, push front, and this one push back, and then remove for both. Or you can place this one, you see this one is went in both sides, push this one back, then remove this. For example, let me put it on the connector. This one is good thing, you see. Yeah, you see it is not come out, right? It is all like the locked, you see. So when you want to remove it, just push this one to the front and this ring to the back, then remove both of them, right? Okay, so I can push it back, this one front, then push it, then push it out. You see it? You have to push this one first to the back, or push this one front and then push this back, then remove it both, right? Because their lock is at the middle of this. So when you want to remove that lock, just make sure this one, return it back first, then you remove both of them. Thank you. Just try and see if it will work for you or not, but that is how you can do if you stuck on that condition of removing this cable, SDI cable. Most of them it is SDI video cables. Thank you.